I'm down on Newtown Lloyd's Road, and I noticed over by Winstays in Newtown Powys that I noticed that the funeral directors have gone, and yeah, they both relocated, and yeah, a bit quiet that, wasn't it? Didn't even notice. Right next door to Texaco Garage, which has been taken over by Ascado, so Bradley's no more, so seems the changes in there already, their paying system's different, so yeah, so I think they've leased it, whatever, but under a new name soon, new sales. As I said, Leach and Sons are no longer here, so just thought I'd come and have a look, see what they're saying. So it looks like it's up for sale. So yeah, a lot of people must have been in this building over time. They used to have some very big sheds around the back of here. So yeah, the whole building's very grey. So in a minute I'll hopefully I'll show you where they've gone to. That's why I'm here. Just thought I'd show it off. It's a different side round the back end. Big garage there, and it says there Leach and Son Funeral Directors and Memorial, is it Monumental Masons or Monumental Masons, whichever, hard to see. Sons of My Eyes, Highfields Chapel of Rest. Oh yeah, I've never been around here before, so this is new to me. That's what it looks like from this side. So yeah, so in a bit I'll go and show you their new premises. We'll have a look. I don't think they'll be open. I'm just going to have a look inside, you never know. If there is, might get to look inside what it's like, but I don't know. Some people don't like cameras, so I just thought I'd show the back end of here, next to the railway line. I've never been down here. It's around the back of Winstay, look at this. Wow. Yeah, there's the railway line. Towards the around anyway. Yeah, that's the back of Winstay. All their bits. There we go. Just thought I'd show that off because it's not somewhere you're going to come, is it? Well, I mean, you're going to look on the back of Bradley's garage as well while we're here. That's a big shutter of a building, that, isn't it? A bit of ground, isn't it? Tucked around the back. Electric ports. Bit of land here, isn't it? Wow, why is all this driveway in the back of here not been used? Well, it must be by British Rail or something, is it? A bit weird, isn't it? It's not the back of Bradley's, because there's look over there, you'll be able to see over the fence. I can't. Yeah, so by the railway line, looks like a no man's land around the back of here. A bit of ground, and there's the back of Lidl's. There you go. Wow, that's something different, isn't it? Bit of wasteland. I wonder what used to be around the back of here. Anybody say, put it in the comments. Oh, what a nice day. Hey, it's April Fool's Day today. Thought I'd come out. Such a nice day. So I thought I'd have a look, see what's going on around town, but a few things changed, so bear with me while I'm cut on and off. There you go. I think one of these houses here, I don't know which one it is, is going to turn into a funeral. I think it's one of the funeral directors' holding place. It could be that one, it's got chains on the gate. So, something to do with the funerals, but I don't know the full story yet. It was only got there talking. Right, I'm down by Tesco's on the main road down towards Morrison's, the line works, and in my video earlier talking about Leach and Sons, and this is where they are. Monday to Friday 9 till 5. Saturday's only closed. Out available. And yeah, hey, Leach and Sons, it's got a new building here. And have a little look around the front end, just have a look. So yeah, this is their new premises. Just thought I'd come have a look around while we're here. So yeah, so now you know, just round the corner from Cushy Number. Oh, I'll look up the door. So yeah, there's phone number, which will be the same number, 01686 208. So yeah, looks nice, doesn't it? It was one of the old houses that were built. It's got a memorial stone there. So do the stones, so nice. Easy access, not like the one by the Bradley's garage. But yeah, so I just thought I'd show you that. I didn't see it advertised anywhere. Leach and Sons moved from Bradley's garage by the thought of it, so I just thought I'd show you that. Very smart too. So yeah, a few changes, and just thought I'd show you that. It's April the 1st 2025, so there we go. That's Leach and Sons. Anyway, thought I'd let you know. Bye bye for now.